In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print large letters on single sheet of paper in Microsoft Word. This is a simple yet very practical technique that can help you create large alphabet letters for classroom displays, posters, signs, craft activities, or educational materials. The best part is that it only takes a few moments to set up, and you can easily customize the size and appearance of the letter so it fits perfectly on the page. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and start with a blank document. Once the document appears on your screen, click anywhere on the page so the cursor is active. Then type the letter that you want to print. For demonstration purposes, you might type the letter A, but of course you can use any letter you need. After typing the letter, select it so you can adjust its formatting. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the letter or by double-clicking directly on it to highlight it. Once the letter is selected, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of the window and open the Home tab. In the Font section, you will see the box that controls the font size. Click inside the font size box and manually type a large number, such as 300, 400, or even 600. Then press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you apply the new size, the letter will expand dramatically on the page. This allows the character to take up much more space so it can be printed as a large display letter. If the character still does not fill the page as much as you would like, you can simply increase the font size again. Select the letter once more and enter a larger value until the letter comfortably fills most of the page area. To improve the overall layout, it's helpful to center the letter on the page. While the letter remains selected, stay on the Home tab and click the Center Alignment button. This will position the letter neatly in the middle of the page, making it look more balanced when printed. You can also enhance the visibility of the letter by switching to a thicker font style. Bold, heavy fonts tend to work best when printed at large sizes because they remain clear and easy to see from a distance. Once you're happy with the appearance and placement of the letter, you're ready to print the document. Press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to open the print settings. Take a moment to confirm that the paper size matches the paper loaded in your printer, such as letter or A4. After checking the settings, click the Print button. Your document will print with the large letter filling a single sheet of paper. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create and print large letters on one page using Microsoft Word. This method is perfect for making alphabet posters, classroom decorations, and many other creative projects. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.